RAM upgrade on MSI Bravo 15 B7ED-009PH laptop. Thank you to Sir Joseph for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the RAM on a laptop is often a wise choice, especially if you are experiencing performance issues or want to enhance your device's capabilities. Increasing the RAM allows your laptop to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, run modern applications more efficiently, and improve overall system responsiveness. Even if your laptop is currently meeting your needs, upgrading the RAM can optimize its performance, reduce lag, and make multitasking faster and more seamless, whether for immediate performance boosts or long-term usability. RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.